You're watching how to disable suggested apps on Samsung device. These suggestions appear in the app drawer or home screen. To disable them in the app drawer, open the app drawer by swiping up from the home screen. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Settings or Home Screen Settings. Look for Suggestions or Recommended Apps. Toggle this setting off. This stops Samsung from suggesting apps based on your usage. To remove suggested apps from the home screen, press and hold on an empty area of the home screen. Tap Home Screen Settings or Settings. Look for Home Screen Layout or Apps screen. Find Show Suggested Apps or Recommendations and toggle it off. Another location is in the Galaxy Store. Settings. Open the Galaxy Store. Tap the menu 3 lines. Go to Settings and disable Show Notifications and Auto Update tabs to reduce suggestions. Also, check the Device Care app. Open Settings, Device Care 3 dots, Advanced Customize. Turn off any recommendations for the suggested apps that appear when you plug in headphones or connect to a Bluetooth device. Go to Settings, Advanced Features, Suggestions. Turn off Suggest Actions and Apps. This disables context-aware suggestions. If you use a third-party launcher, these settings may differ. The key is to look for suggestions in your home screen and app drawer settings. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.